What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel where I talk and do everything pinball. So if that sounds interesting to you, then hit that subscribe button down below. Alright guys, I know I have not been putting out content on the regular like I used to do in the previous months, and there is a reason behind that. Whether it be personal, occupational, we can go on, but the fact of the matter is that I have not abandoned you. I am just trying to up my quality. So I've done so by purchasing a studio light kit system along with a Nikon DSLR. So this camera is going to give me the ability to give you a much better quality in video to the content that you are viewing. There are those of you that have already discovered me and followed me on Instagram. For those of you that don't know any better, I'm now on Instagram, and if you want to view my past, present, and even future projects that I'm working on, I do tend to post pictures of what I'm doing or what I have done. So to give you sometimes a little bit of a sneak peek of what may be coming into the future. So be sure to check me out there. Also, do not forget to check me out on Straight Down the Middle. I have lots of content in the works, it just needs to be edited. That's gonna wrap up this short video, guys. If you're interested to see what's coming next, be sure to give me that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can be notified of whenever I post something for your viewing pleasure. Until next time, guys. Peace out.